Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the YT Titan course. And if you were thinking about getting YT Titan, this video will give you a preview of what's inside this course so you'll know exactly what you're getting. So if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, you may or may not know that YouTube is one of the best and most profitable platforms for doing affiliate marketing. And YT Titan gives you the ultimate training on exactly how you can start from scratch and create a thriving and profitable YouTube affiliate marketing business that brings in tons of traffic and commissions day after day, week after week. And this is the type of business where you can do some initial work up front, and then it can bring you passive income for months or years to come. And even better, you don't have to show your face on camera or even use your own voice if you don't want to. And you don't even need any prior experience, okay? This course is 100% beginner friendly, and the series of video lessons break down every step in a way that is easy to understand and simple to follow. So let's take a look inside of the YT Titan course. So here's a look inside the training section of YT Titan. The very first module is an intro to the process, okay? This is just a brief introduction that introduces you to the system that you're going to be following throughout the course. Next is a module about joining affiliate networks, okay? So here you're going to find out about some affiliate networks that offer instant approval. So you can sign up to these and start promoting products and offers right away. And there's also information about other affiliate networks and some ways to find affiliate networks for virtually any product you can imagine. And next is a section about selecting a niche. So in this section, you're going to learn some very important information about things to consider when you're choosing a niche for your affiliate YouTube channel. So it teaches you how to do proper research on a niche to make sure that you're choosing a niche that is profitable and that can continue to be profitable over a long period of time. Okay, then we have a section about setting up your channel. So this is going to teach you exactly how to set up an affiliate YouTube channel and properly optimize it from scratch. Okay, that's a very important one. And then the next three modules are about setting up social profiles and properly interlinking them with your YouTube channel. Okay, and doing this properly is going to help to build authority to your YouTube channel. So these modules are going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this properly. So there's one for creating a Facebook page, one for creating a Twitter account, and one for creating a Tumblr account. And then in the next section, you're going to learn about setting up syndication. So this lesson shows you how to set up syndication networks that will automatically syndicate your YouTube videos out to different social profiles and other websites to give your videos automatic social shares and backlinks, which helps to boost your channel authority and also to boost your videos rankings. Okay, then we have a section about types of videos to make. So in this section, you learn about the different types of videos that tend to work very well for affiliate marketing, and it shows you how to decide which types of videos might be best for your specific offer or product that you're promoting. Then this next section is extremely important. So this lesson is all about the importance of buyer intent, and it basically gives you an in-depth look at how people search for and buy products. And this lesson teaches some very important and effective strategies for creating the right type of content that is likely to convert into a sale. Then the next section is about finding products to promote. So in this lesson, you're going to learn some ways to find products within your niche that people are actually searching for and looking to buy, but that don't have too much competition. Then in the next section, you're going to learn about selecting the right keywords. So this section is all about doing proper keyword research, and it shows you some ways to find the right type of keywords to bring you the most traffic and the most conversions. Then the next four modules are all about different ways to create your affiliate videos. So there are 4 different methods that are taught in this course, and all 4 of them are very effective, and you could choose to use any or all of these methods, just depending on your preference, and this just gives you some options for what type of video you're creating for your specific offer. Okay, then in the next section, you're going to learn about creating thumbnails. So having a great thumbnail is one of the most important factors for how well your video ranks and generally performs. And in fact, there are certain mistakes that one can make when creating a thumbnail that can dramatically reduce how much your video gets shown to people. So in this lesson, you learn exactly how to avoid making those mistakes, as well as how to create the perfect thumbnail for your video. Then the next section is about optimizing your affiliate links. And this is a topic that is often overlooked, but is extremely important. And doing this properly can increase your video's click-through rate and give a boost to your video's rankings as well. So you're going to learn exactly how to do that in this section. Then in the next section, you learn how to properly optimize and upload your videos to YouTube. So you'll learn how to create the perfect title, description, and tags, along with other elements that go into properly optimizing your video. And in fact, there's even a copy and paste template that is included as a bonus with this course that you can find in this section. So you can use that template to quickly create the perfect title, description, and tags for your video. And this includes some other important tips to follow when you're uploading your videos to YouTube. Then the next section looks at some ways to check your rankings in both YouTube and in Google. And it uses a case study to show you how well these optimization techniques work as you see a video shoot to the top of the rankings in less than 30 minutes just by following the steps outlined so far in the course. Okay, then the next section is all about ranking your videos. So in this section, you get an in-depth breakdown of how to rank your videos in YouTube and how to rank your videos in Google. And it takes a look at the different factors that affect ranking in each of those. And you'll learn some ways to properly optimize your videos for maximum rankings in YouTube and in Google. Then the next section is about risky but effective ranking methods. So this lesson takes a look at some slightly more advanced ranking methods that have to be handled with care, but that can offer a powerful boost to your video's rankings. Then in the next section, you learn about getting backlinks to your video. So it gives you some strategies for how to get backlinks, which kinds of backlinks help your video rank in Google, the proper order for getting these backlinks, and more. Then the next section is about what to do next. This lesson is going to show you some strategies that you can use to get the most out of the methods that you've learned so far. So you're going to learn how to continue scaling up your results and creating long-term success using these methods. So this is a very important lesson as well. Then finally, we have some additional bonuses that are included with the course. And this includes some click-through rate boosting titles that you can use to make your videos more clickable and to improve your video's performance. And it also includes a guide for perpetual growth. Okay, and this offers some additional strategies for scaling up your results and creating a thriving long-term business out of this system. Okay, so that's the basic overview of what's inside the YT Titan course. And this course is going to be periodically updated, so new things could be added in the future. And as you can see, this is a course that is absolutely packed with actionable strategies that you can use even if you don't have any prior experience to build a thriving and profitable YouTube affiliate marketing business. So click the link below to get started.